Okay, now Jefferson County Court Law number 2 is back in session. Okay, this is Pamela Bowie, is that correct?
Yes, sir. Judge, she's on the front row there, and I mean, she can come up here and report what you do, but she had a great deal of difficulty walking.
Okay, well, I mean, we don't need to have Miss Bowie come up. She's here in open court. Not gonna put it through that. Now, Miss Bowie, how are you doing?
I'm blessed and highly favored.
That's good. Can't be better than being blessed and highly favored. Now, Miss Bowie, you're represented by your attorney David Grove. Attorney Grove, how are you doing?
I'm doing real good, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Grove, what is your announcement in Miss Bowie's case?
I'd like to set Pamela Bowie's case for trial.
Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, this case will be reset January 27th, 2024. Ms. Bowie, your attorney will be giving you a reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
And Mr. Grove, you can get your reset. You'll be free to go as well.
Thank
And
you,
you have a
Judge.
blessed day. Oh, and let's see now. Mr. Okay, Mr. Galmore, 2 cases. Which is cause number M332440, Max Owen Linthicum, and cause number 24 CCCR 0610, Erica Elaine Weaver. Those cases reset. Mr. Galmore provided proof that his Ms. Weaver was in the Franklin house, and Mr. Linthicum was bedridden, and they had an excuse from his doctor. So those 2 cases were reset. Is there anybody else left on this docket?
Jared Gilthorpe's one.
Oh.
Yeah, I know he didn't come back.
Gilthorpe is in. Okay,
He didn't come back, and I think he didn't come back because he spoke with secretary and.
well, he told us that, but we told him he had to be back at 1.
But I think he just left anyway.
Okay, well, we're going to call his name.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, this is cause number 23 CCCR 1785. Case is filed in the state of Texas versus Emilio Lopez Orozco. Mr. Emilio Lopez Orozco was scheduled to be in court at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m. Emilio Lopez Orozco's name was called. He answered. Emilio Lopez Orozco appeared in court, and the court went into recess, and he was informed that he had to be back in court at 1 o'clock. The time now is 1:35 p.m. on today's date of December 9th, 2024. Ms. Bailey, could you please call the name of Emilio Lopez Orozco at the courthouse door?
Lopez Orozco. Emilio Lopez Orozco. North Marshall.
Amelia Lopez Orozco's name was just called again at the courthouse door. He did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Emilio Lopez Orozco an opportunity to appear in court. He is not, or to reappear in court. He has not reappeared in court. State, do you have a motion? That motion will be granted. Emilio Lopez Orozco's bond will be forfeited and warrant should be issued for his arrest. In cause number 23 CCCR 1785. Oh, this is in Spanish, okay. The
He's
document,
doing a court appointment.
well, we'll get to that.
Okay.
Okay, this is cause number 24 CCCR 2160, case of style of state of Texas versus Diego Godinez. Mr. Godinez speaks Spanish. We have Ms. Jennifer Rogers. She is a translator at the court. Mr. Rogers, would you please raise your right hand? You swear affirm to interpret Spanish to English and English to Spanish, so help you God?
Yes, Judge.
And Mr. Roger, how are you doing?
Good, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Ask Mr. Godinez, Diego Godinez, if his full name is Diego Godinez.
Yes.
Okay. Ask him how he's doing.
Good, Judge.
I'll tell him to raise his right hand. Okay, Mr. Diego Godinez, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God?
Yes,
They
Judge.
tell him he can put his hand down. Okay, now I have before me a document, it's an affidavit of indigence. You can show that to him. Okay. Ask him if he recognized that document.
Yes.
Now, on this page 2, there should be a signature above the line that is titled Defendant Signature. Ask him if that's his signature.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Now, ask him if everything is, now that document is in Spanish. Ask him, is that correct, Ms. Araji?
Yes, Judge.
Ask him if he, before he signed that document, did he read the document?
Antes de firmar ese documento, sí leo todo ahí. Yes, Judge.
And ask him, did he understand what he read?
Todo lo que leo. Yes, Judge.
And ask him if everything in that document is true and correct to the best of his knowledge.
Y todo en ese documento es de verdad. Yes, Judge.
Okay. Now, I read the answers. Based on his answers, he does not meet the eligibility requirement for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. And so he would have to he would have to hire his attorney.
Okay. Dice que se dio todos los supuestos y entonces en este punto usted tiene que buscar un
And you can tell him that because he speaks now, there's another option where he can represent himself. However, because he speaks Spanish, our paperwork is not in Spanish for him to read and sign. And he does not have an attorney here to represent him because there's a lot of legal terminology that's on these documents that it would be better for him if he had an attorney to help him to understand what's on those documents.
Y usted tiene que leer y firmar todo, y es mejor que usted tenga un abogado que se le pueda ayudar.
Okay, so his case was previously reset. Is that the 6th? I think, what was that day? He said it was the 6th. Could you check? Oh, so you had that paperwork?
17th, January 17th.
It's January 17th. Okay. So that's the date that he is scheduled to come back to court. And I think that I think they stated that they may want to talk to Mr. Rojas, who speaks Spanish, the lawyer.
Okay.
He's gonna be here Thursday for the jail run. If he wants to appear and talk to Mr. Rojas on Thursday, he can.
Okay. Tiene que estar usted en el medio y que se siente con un abogado lo que tú quieras. Y dice que le explicó que ustedes quieren hablar con el abogado señor Rojas. Y dice que van a estar aquí en la corte en jueves de semana. Y si usted quiere venir a hablar con él para ver si la puedes a ver si él se lo puede hacer su caso, si puedes. Pero a ver cómo quiere hacer usted. O lo puedes llamar a su oficina, como quiera.
Okay. So we said you have given me that paperwork back?
No, sir.
Okay. Go ahead and give me that paperwork. I'll put it in his file.
Eso para hacer el 17 de enero tienes que tener un abogado. Okay.
Tell him he's free to go and he can have a blessed day.
Tengo que enviar,
There you go.
pero entiende usted que tiene que regresar en esa fecha que pedí. Okay. Y como tú digo que iba a partir, pues, si quieres venir a hablar con él, o él lo puedes preguntar a su oficina o en su oficina. Okay.
All right.
That's todo.
All right. Y'all have a blessed day. You're welcome. And thank you, Ms. Roger. You have a blessed day.
You too.
And that's it? Mr. Gilthorpe's case, okay. We set till tomorrow. Okay. Okay. This will conclude the calling of the court's announcement docket, trial docket, and pretrial conference docket. All three dockets on today's date of December 9th, 2024, in County Court at Law number 2. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day, and prosecutors, you are excused.
Thank you.